Bob Huber, vintage Lambo, and I hope that I found the short that this car has. Just looking around at wiring, you see how that is just worn through. And this wire goes all the way and connects in with the starter circuit. So, let's hope for the best. Okay, we're back here. I have a wiring schematic for the car. That's fortunate. I've gone ahead and peeled some of this stuff off. This was stuck. This wire also is affected. There's some copper showing on this one because it was stuck to this one. And you can see it's all just cracking up. Now this wire, this goes to the starter motor, but essentially this is the battery cable. And this battery cable goes through a conduit, through the rocker panel, all the way to the back of the car where the battery is. So that's why they put this wire, and this is the wire, and this is what you would say alternator wire. This goes under the dash to the ammeter. So we're going to go inside there and we're going to take a look at that. So we can see the ammeter is right here. So let's go ahead and look for the wires. So let me just put this on hold for a second. All right, so we have these wires right here to the ammeter. One thing on these ammeters is I like to double nut it, jam nut it on this side. These things can get hot, cold, and when this loosens up, you don't want to know what happens, okay? So that's something we're going to change on this. You see this blue wire. Now, you saw it was a black wire that was cracked up. So there's a blue wire on here, and this is, you know, some newer stuff put onto the car. It's going to go up, and you can see this junction right here. You see there's the blue and the red. This red wire then will continue to the alternator. But you see, bingo, there's the black wire right there. So we need to change out these wires. And of course, I haven't taken this red wire to really look at it. But what I want to do is I need to change these wires out. This is essentially, you don't want to fire. This is an old wire. It's been overtaxed. And the reason I say that also is that the alternator has been changed out on the car, and it's now a much stronger one. So I need to go and follow these wires and put in a thicker wire or another double wire it. So we'll probably be going with a thicker wire and then run it that way because we don't want anything getting too hot. Okay, let me just go up to the top for a second. So you can see that it's really a good idea to check out especially the alternator wire, since this is one that gets pretty warm or can get pretty warm. And again, if you know, the factory alternator was only 35 amp. And the alternator that's on it, I don't really know exactly what it is, but it's a minimum of twice that amount. So we want to definitely give this enough on the thickness so that we don't have any problems at all in the future. So brand new wire, thicker wire, and we're going to go from there. So that's it at the moment. So please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.